Emerson White Thunder, come back.
Captain, we have a nasty storm system closing in at 018. It's heading right through your flight path, just picking up.
No problem. We'll make it to base station Wild Arctic before that storm does. This is Captain Emerson. Welcome aboard White Thunder. Station Wild Arctic. Should be a short, comfortable flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. I heard a caribou. Looks like they're going in our direction. These sensors detecting what appears to be polar bear activity. We're racing an Arctic storm, but I think we have time to take a little side trip. I'll set our rotors to whisper mode so we can get in close. Ah, look at that. A mother and her cubs. Let's leave them be. We're in luck. There's more animal activity on the other side of this glacier. If we hurry, we can take a look. Hang on. White Thunder to base. We're dropping underwater. Whoa! That narwhal almost came in for a visit. Looks like that storm has picked up. We better get going.
Flying mode restored.
Don't want to scare those walrus. I have a warning indicator light flashing. Folks, we're sitting down on this glacier, and I'm shutting down until I check it out. Oh no, the edge of this glacier can't hold our weight. Got to get rotors back. It won't start. Code red. Thrusters on. And pull us out of this. That was close. That storm front is trying to cut us off at the pass, taking an emergency route. Computer's out. We're on our own. We'll avoid these high winds by taking a path through this chasm. Hang on. It's an avalanche. Brace yourselves. We made it.
This is base station Wild Arctic. Come in, White Thunder.
This is White Thunder.
Great to hear from you, Captain. Thought you went down in the storm. We're looking forward to your visit.
And we're all looking forward to solid ground. We're coming in. This is Captain Emerson thanking you for flying White Thunder. I hope you all have a great time exploring Base Station Wild Arctic. Till next time, over and out.
Please wait until the doors open before disconnecting your seatbelt.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Before disembarking, make sure you have gathered all of your personal belongings. Once the doors on your right have fully opened, you may release your seatbelt by pressing the orange button on the left side of your seat. Thank you for flying with us, and we hope you enjoy your visit to Base Station Wild Arctic.